Hello everyone, I am Alisha Afri, working as a technology analyst at Infosys. Today I am going to tell you about the difference between Convert.ToString and ToString. Let's discuss the main difference between the Convert.ToString and ToString. So guys, first I'll tell you 3 points keynote, that is the meaning of this Convert.ToString and when and where to use this. Let's start with the Convert.ToString. So Convert.ToString will handle the null values, whereas ToString does not handle null values. It throws a null reference exception. I can show you through the program so that I'll just create an empty solution here. So let's open with the Visual Studios. Create a new project. We will create a console application. Here we go. We'll write test project. So we'll create here. So our console application has been created here. Let's create a class. So we'll give customer name, name of the class customer. We'll write a properties. We can give this string employee name, anything it can be. So here we have created a properties under customer class. Let's create a object of that class. So we have customer C1. So we have created C1 customer object. Now what we will do, we will get a C1 object and we will just call that property employee name. We will set this. Or you just can create a C1, that's just you can write a C1, that object C1 dot to string. Since this is an object, here we go. You can see here I just put the breakpoint. So if you come to the C1 is null, and what we are trying to do, we are trying to pass C1 null values to that Convert.ToString. So convert is your class, and that we have a method that ToString. So we are passing this employee, that is null value. So in this case what it will happen, on null value it will be passed and it will convert into the empty string. So if I'll just show you, this is an empty string. So what it will do, it will convert to null values to the empty string, and you will not get any null reference error. So this is what our difference between the Convert.ToString and ToString. So let's discuss about the things like which one will be better. Like mostly people will be wondering which one be better over ToString or Convert.ToString. So I'll just tell you one point here. Like depending on the type of the application architecture, like if you are going to create any class library and there you have a fix that you will get values for particular object, there will be instances. So that at that point of view you need to you can use ToString, that doesn't any issue. But somewhere if you are going to use any UI application, there you might have chances to have a null value. So at that point of moment you can choose Convert.ToString, so that you can show the errors, proper error there, that null values can be converted to empty string, and that can be handled. So that is what the main difference between the Convert.ToString. So you just choose depending on the architecture of your programs, which kind of application you are going to build. So keeping those things in the point, and then you just choose one over the other. So that is all depends on you. So basic whatever the difference was there, I have just shown you, and the programming also I have shown you, so you can try to That's all about the difference between the Convert.ToString and ToString. That's all. Thank you guys.